This is a little story about a big US bank that saves time and money with the Lucid Visual Collaboration Suite. When agile leaders switched from in-person workshops to online collaboration in Lucid, many teams saved on travel. For example, one 30-person team eliminated 600 travel hours, saving $160,000 annually. And when the HR team used Lucid to create data-backed org charts, they saved 1,000 hours of data entry annually, equivalent to 125 days of work for one full-time specialist. Finally, enterprise architects reported being 10 times more efficient just by using Lucid to brainstorm ideas and document plans. This is a little story with big results. See and build the future with Lucid, and save time and money while you're at it.